Good morning everyone. I hope you are all doing well. Today I am going to share you the experience of my first ever YouTube video. It was an unforgettable day at Maroubra Beach, New South Wales. So let's begin with. It's around 6:20 a.m. in the morning and the sunrise around 7 o'clock and the drive is around 25 to 30 minutes. So let's enjoy the drive. As I have just entered in the Maroubra suburb and these bicycles in front of me, I would wait for them because I have to take right turn after the 100 meter. Here is the first look at Maroubra Beach you will encounter. As you can see, the beach looks so empty, not many people there. Some doing photography, some doing surfing, and some people doing nothing but just looking exactly into the horizon, clear horizon. Look at this photographer. He is exactly on his point to take the perfect shot of sunrise. I love that. And as you notice, the waves are not so big, which is not a good sign for surfers because they are a big fan of big waves because they have a more fun in a big waves. And here is a rescue team on 2 boats which is always there to help you and protect you in a critical situation. And they looks like having fun, but I'm not sure, maybe they're doing training or something like that. And the sun is almost out. And now I am going to use my drone shots and I'm heading to the south to find the coastal walk track which I have heard from someone and they mentioned it's so good, you must have to visit there. And there are many hidden spots to see the sunrise with yourself, with your partner or whoever you want with. And let's find them out. And you have to be very careful when you are walking on these rocks. Sometimes you find them very slippery. So let me give you a very quick view from above and we'll see how it looks like from above us. Let's have a look. And I will also find the coastal walk track by using my drone. It's so easy peasy. And there it is, the coastal walk track just behind me. I found it. And eventually I found the track. Look at this beautiful view. Let's enjoy the track and found the hidden spots. Now I am preparing my drone to take a beautiful shot of this walk track and I'll share with you soon. While I was preparing my drone, I crashed my drone with these bushes, but luckily it's okay. And there are two fishermen on the boat catching the fishes to make their breakfast or maybe lunch. And the Sydney airport is very close to here, and you can see the plane going exactly above me. And guys, now I am going to share you a mesmerizing sunrise view exactly above to the water. Enjoy it. And if you keep walking on that coastal track, you'll find this hidden spot after 100 to 200 meter. And you are all must be wondering how it is looks like to sit here. Let me give you a breathtaking view with my drone. In that moment, I felt a profound sense of connection with the world around me. I realized that as creator, we have the power to inspire others, to take them on a journey through our lenses, cameras or drones to showcase the wonder of this beautiful planet we call home. In Australia, your safety is the first priority. You have to look after yourself wherever you go. I hope that through this video, you too will feel the magic of Maroubra Beach. Even if you cannot physically be there, I hope it inspires you to venture out and explore the world around you, to see the beautiful sunrise and to connect with the beauty that surrounds us. Thank you all from the bottom of my heart for joining me on this journey. Your support and encouragement means a lot to me. And remember, every day is an opportunity for a new adventure, a new story, and a new chance to capture the beauty of life. So in the end, if you enjoy the video, please like, comment and subscribe my YouTube channel for the more adventurous video. And till now, goodbye. See you in the next video.